Big Mama. Whether you were related to her or not, you could go to Big Mama for advice. You definitely go to Big Mama's for a good meal that would make you feel loved. Need a bowl, not a big one, a medium-sized bowl. She truly encompassed what Big Mama means. She was everything. Good job. I am Gladys Lucretia Harrison. I am the owner of Big Mama's Kitchen and Catering. We are a soul food restaurant in Omaha, Nebraska. Big Mama was my mother, and she was the founder and creator of Big Mama's Kitchen. My mom used food to bring people together, not just her family, but an extended family and all of her relationships. My mother learned from her mother and from her grandmother how to make something out of nothing. And more importantly, how to take what you love or what you enjoy and allow it to create some wealth for you. She started her at-home catering service right here in this house that grew into the restaurant. Good, ain't it? Mm-hmm. And you're the best, too. I love you.
Love you, too.
At one time, there were 4 generations of us working at the restaurant. You can't be one of Patricia Barron's children or grandchildren and not put a day or 2 in washing dishes or something at Big Mama's. The Black community in Omaha, Nebraska has always gone against the current. We've always paved our own way.
Big Mama, Patricia Barron, fits into the fabric of the history of the greatness of our city. How many great folks have come out of this little area here. It's statistically doesn't make any sense. Hall of Famer from baseball, Bob Gibson, Johnny Rogers, the Heisman Trophy winner, Malcolm X was born right here in Omaha, Nebraska.
When we opened the restaurant, my mom made it a mission that Big Mama's was going to be a place where folks could get a second chance. We have helped employees get enrolled in the culinary school. We helped buy books, pay tuition. When my mother passed away, we started a scholarship at the local community college in her name.
That is inspiring to people, that they see that somebody is on purpose saying, by the criteria of the scholarship, we want those of you that are having a tough time at this to be supported, inspired, and maybe that creates motivation to carry on in your studies.
Yes, we are all in this together. And those are things that my mother believed all her life, and she translated those in her personal life and in her business. In order for a family business to be around for generations, there's got to be a roadmap or a recipe for how to carry the business on. Documenting your institutional knowledge, not just the recipes for how we fry the chicken, but how do you order the chicken and who do you get the chicken from? What is our vision? Those are things that should still continue to be fulfilled, whether the person who founded the company are there or not. In some areas, my mom did a good job in that. In some areas, we didn't. In hindsight, I would have asked her, when she passed away, we knew where the restaurant wanted to be 5 years from then, but we didn't talk about 10 years or 15 years or 20 years. I wish I would have talked to her about those things and then document them. With a family business, there needs to be conversations about who's going to get what, as far as ownership. If there's multiple children, are you going to give a certain percentage of the business to each child? However, the owner wants to carry the business on while they're gone, those wishes need to be expressed, shared with an attorney, and put down in a legal document. My mother, she was very hesitant in incorporating technology in with the business. Up until her last day at the restaurant, she kept inventory in a spiral notebook, with the pen and paper. One of the biggest challenges for me once I took over has been, how can I use technology to make the business operate better? And so getting state-of-the-art POS system, our point-of-sale system, it was probably one of the best business decisions that I've ever made, because I can do everything from my cell phone. I can access all of our inventory, our sales information. I can give discounts and promotions. I can do everything. So when I look at, where Big Mama's is now, and where we came from, we started in the kitchen, literally, of my mom's home. And now we've transitioned to a more modern space. Even with that technology, our mission and our goal at Big Mama still hasn't changed. We still want you to feel like you're in the kitchen of your grandma. She just done upgraded a little bit. In Big Mama's mind, you can't have North Omaha without Black people. And yes, we're a part of this revitalization that's going on in North Omaha, but at its core, it's Black people. And she wanted to ensure that in the transition, that core, Black people would continue to be a part of the story of North Omaha. Nothing makes me happier when someone comes and eats and their reaction is, "Oh my God, that was the best meal I ever had." And all of the struggle and all of the sacrifices are worth it. That's just affirmation for me that I'm doing my mom proud and that we're doing what we're supposed to do.